Imagine receiving dozens of customer complaints every day. Keeping track of which complaints are pending, overdue, or resolved can quickly become overwhelming. In this video, I'll show you how to build a professional complaint tracker in Microsoft Excel using if function, conditional formatting, and checkboxes. Let's get started. So here in this data we have the complaint ID, date, customer name, department, complaint, priority, assigned to, due date, checkbox, and the status. First I am going to insert the checkboxes to this I column. So I am going to select it. After this I'll go to the insert tab and here I'll click on this checkbox. Excel 365 not only insert the checkboxes to the selected cells but also link those cells automatically to the checkboxes. If I check any checkbox, it marks it as true, and if I uncheck it, it marks it as false. If you have earlier version of Microsoft Excel, then you need to link your checkboxes to the cells individually. I am giving the link of that video that describe all this process in the I button. Now next, in the status section, I will make use of the if function to get the status as per the checkboxes. So here I will write equal if open parenthesis, then I will select this I2 cell, and if it is true, then I will write equal true, then it should be resolved. Again for the second condition I will write if open parenthesis, and if the due date is less than the date today, so I will make use of the today function, then it should be overdue, otherwise it should be pending. I will correct the spelling of the resolved. I'll close the parenthesis 2 times because there are 2 conditions. So as per this function, if I check the checkbox, the result will be the true, and it means that the complaint has been resolved. And if I uncheck the box, it means that it is still pending. And if the due date for that particular complaint is over, then it will show the status as overdue. I'm going to bring my cursor to the bottom right corner of this cell and drag it down to apply this to all the cells. Now you can notice that when I check any checkbox, the complaint status is changed from pending to resolved. Now next, I also want to highlight the overdue and pending complaints. So for that purpose, I need to use the conditional formatting. So first I'm going to select all this data. Then I'll go to the home tab, and under the home tab I have the conditional formatting. I'll click on this new rule, and here I'll select this use a formula to determine which cell to format, and then here I'll write the formula equal this first cell of the status. I'll keep the column locked but unlock the row by removing this $sign. This will highlight the entire row instead of just highlighting the status cell. Equal to overdue, then I want to format it. I'll click on this format and I'll choose the red color, but I want to get the lighter red color, so I'm going to click the more color, and here I'll choose the light red color. OK, and again OK. So here you can see that the cells with the overdue status are highlighted with red color. Again I'll click on this conditional formatting, click on new rule, click on use a formula to determine which cell to format. Here I'll write equal, I'll select the first cell, and this time again I'll remove the $sign before the row number, and I'll write equal, and this time in inverted commas I'll write pending. I'll click on this format, I'll choose this yellow color, click on this OK, again OK, and here you can see that the pending complaints are highlighted with the yellow color. Now not only we can easily visualize that which complaints are pending and which are resolved or overdue, we can mark them and change the status from overdue to the resolved or from pending to resolved very easily. When we check into any checkbox, it not only changing the status but also change the color, which easily highlight the current status of each and every complaint. Now you have a fully functional complaint tracker that automatically updates complaint status, highlights overdue issues, and helps organize customer complaint professionally. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Know How, and leave a comment with the next Excel project you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.